Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing He-Man Masters of the Universe Origin Line. Another toy review, yes. So, from the packaging so far, it looks pretty good. And we can even collect them all. We got He-Man, whoever this is, Skeletor, whoever this is, and whoever this is. So, yeah. I mean, I got some pretty good artwork right there. Yep, so, well, I'll see you guys once this is opened. So as you guys can see here, it comes with a little bit of a comic book. I have dyslexia, and... Okay, so, yeah. And, yeah, it shows this again. Once again, I'll see you once it is opened. Now, we have the figure here. I have to admit, it looks pretty cool. It definitely looks like an updated version of He-Man in the shield stuff. You're gonna have to excuse me again for... Oh, well, never mind. You're gonna have to excuse me for once. Yeah, this is about as good as I can get for right now. Yeah. And we have this little sword here. I'm not even gonna try with that. So what do I think of the toy so far? It's pretty good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So, yeah. Bye! Oh, can we please get this video to 10,000 likes and 48,000,000,000 subscribers? Please, it would help a lot. And I do mean a lot. Thank you and goodbye. I mean it badly.